We made it home. Literally, we got off the plane and Ajit left his suitcase on the plane. He's just like, yay, jumped out of the plane. And I was like, where's your bag? So we had to go back. And the guy was so nice and went to go get it for us. But anywho, we're gonna go and catch an Uber to our hotel.
I think I can see our building. I think it's our building right there.
Our stay for the next 2 days. How pretty. Oh my gosh. We're going to the penthouse. That's how we do our 5-year anniversary.
We're going all the way up.
Just kidding, we got a free upgrade. First stop, we checked in already. We're eating a nami nori.
We gotta get sushi.
Gotta get sushi, so we're gonna try this place out. But I do like how there's hand sanitizer here. It's very nice. Flip it over so you guys can see. All right, take your first bite. This vlog is gonna be all you. It's like there's instructions of how to slide this off. Ooh, you got it, you got it. Thoughts? Initial reaction? Yummy. Okay, I'm gonna dive into mine. Where are we?
We are at Benki.
Is it Benki?
Is it
I say Benji, I don't know.
Benki or Benji?
This is so good. So yum.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we are going to a very special sunset spot in Brooklyn. But
Blue hour
I was
spot.
not expecting that. Blue hour too.
Blue hour.
Not even golden hour, blue hours. So we're gonna jump on the subway real quick.
Almost on the wrong subway. We're having a late dinner. What I really like at the all these restaurants, there's like hand sanitizer, outdoor seating, nice, it's out. So we're gonna have ramen.
We haven't had New York ramen in over an entire year. Yep.
That's good.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's good.
Good morning, guys. So last night was a lot of fun. Just having my breakfast, which is an espresso, and because I'm on vacation, I'm having Twizzlers. But even more exciting, somebody burned.
I don't even know. I literally just turned it on and I didn't realize there's a silk setting.
Silk setting.
I usually don't iron. I like steam and I didn't bring my steamer. This was gonna be my brownstone, you know, Halloween stoop.
This looks like a dog bit it. Look at this. That is 2 clean bites right there. Zoom in. Off to a flying start.
After I burned my shirt, we are gonna be eating bagels. Came to Russ and Daughters having some Bloody Marys, bagels, and like lots of other goodies.
We're gonna go see our old place and try not to cry because we never should have left. I feel like there was a miscommunication somewhere. Some wires got crossed. We left, and now we're gonna go see how big of a mistake we made.
Next up on the day, woo,
That is awesome.
Pier 35. So this spot has like swings, has a little outdoor gym area. People are just like relaxing on benches, walking dogs. really nice.
All right.
Oh, you want to go?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go.
Okay. We're both documenting. We're in our old elevator. Woo! They're actually letting us go to the top.
Yeah. Very top floor where the clubhouse is. Lot of good memories there. Emotions are very high right now. We're almost there. There we go, 42nd floor. Oh my god.
Wait, how do we get in?
Oh, I think it's just open. Yeah.
I remember we had to use a key.
Still here.
And one time I said, "Really close now."
Oh, they actually almost finished it.
That's so nuts. Before it was like under construction.
Yeah. Wow, nothing's changed. It still looks just as good.
We're at the rooftop of our old apartment and we're getting so emotional. Just looking at everything. And she's like borderline about to cry. But oh my gosh, you guys, we miss this place so much. The doormen were so sweet and they let us come to the roof. Our particular apartment is taken by another couple. They're probably loving it. I hope so. But just soaking it up, soaking it all up. Wait, how do we get to 6?
It's close. Big development. Leasing remembered us, and they're gonna let us see.
I'm gonna angle it.
They're gonna let us see an apartment on our old line.
Nice to
Have it.
have it, but the New York is New York though. Yeah.
Down the old hallway.
Yeah.
Didn't want to hear the. Oh my god.
You want to do it?
Do you want to do it?
Yeah,
Do
I
it,
want to
then
do
you'll
it.
play it
Yeah. Oh, I just want to hear that sound again.
Oh, nice, satisfying, right?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, I gotta document. This is too crazy. This is very similar. This was your bathroom and
Yeah, this is all bathroom.
Oh my god.
All our closets. Oh.
That's so nice to see this building actually like
Yeah.
completed.
It's also like a little bit of a better vantage point here, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, for
It
sure.
opens up a lot over like 28, 29. So yeah.
Oh, for sure. Shower.
Oh man. And then our studio is in here.
Studio slash guest bedroom. Oh, you can see the water from here.
Oh yeah.
We used to look at that red.
I know, we used to look at that. That red building was right in our face all the time. Oh my
Oh,
god.
the view is so much better up here. That was like
Wow.
stare at that
Yeah,
red
so you actually hit the water.
Yeah.
You only hit the water over like 30.
Oh, okay. Nice. Oh,
All the whining of that fan across the street, it's still there. Okay, so that was awesome. That was a little emotional. But now we gotta bounce and we gotta head to some shoots, just like old times. Good morning, guys. It is 8:30. Our flight leaves in about 3.5 hours, but we're actually going to Summit 1 Observatory, which is right about there. If y'all remember, that's the building that's been under construction that we could see from our old place, like right across the street. We literally watched it being built, and now we're finally going to get to go inside. Okay, so we are outside the hotel just waiting for our Uber. Now, can we move back?
No, we can't.
We can.
As much as I want to, we can't.
Won't. I really want to, but we could get like a nice brownstone in upper
A
west side.
brownstone.
Decorate the porch for fall every
I gotta have Empire views, and Chrysler views.
I can see if we can make that happen.
All right.
So we're here at Summit 1 Vanderbilt. You actually have to wear shoe covers to keep the floor clean. There's Jasmine over there. Yeah, we're just about to jump in the elevator. It's gonna be awesome.
As it would if it was like the day it's open, because this normally would have like a light show. Unfortunately, we don't have anyone from like facilities to operate it. But I want to see it.
Oh man.
And then right around the corner is going to be Transcendence 1. There's 2 floors.
Wow.
Amazing. That's crazy. There's our old building right there. We literally watched it being built from one of those balconies right there. I can't even tell which one is the real one. Like, damn.
That's how good you are at photoshopping, but if you have your camera on a tripod and you suck it out in the middle.
We are here at the Summit Observatory. Is this not insane? It opens on October 21st. There's different floors of different experiences. I mean, views on views on views, reflections on reflections. It is gorgeous, you guys.
Double video, I'm so impressed with your skills.
Now we're in the balloon room. Look at this. Boosh. Overlooking Central Park. Man, just when you thought it couldn't get any crazier. So we left super late from Summit 1. We are running to our gate because our flight's delayed. Kinda, we're not sure, and we're just trying to get through. Running in the airport.
All right, somehow we started the trip just how we ended it, or we ended the trip just how we started it, running in the airport. But we made it. Headed to our baby.
Yeah.
Can't wait to
We're
see
coming,
him. We're
Kai.
coming, Kai Kai.
We're coming.
This trip was good.